welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a chicken stir fry with lovely fresh vegetables and chicken thigh fillets, and I'm going to be using ginger, garlic, green chilli, broccoli florets, chopped carrot, chopped corn, beans, cabbage, mushrooms, red peppers and onion. And I've also made a stir fry sauce here. All the ingredients will be linked or will be set out in the description box below, but that's the sauce that will be poured over it. So let's get started. Let's fry off the chicken in batches. Okay, I have oil heating in my wok, and I'm going to fry the chicken in batches. And you don't want to fry too much of it all at one go, because the temperature will drop and it will emit too much water or too much fluid. So just be patient and do it bit at a time. So I'll just get on with that. Once it's all fried, I'll come back to you. And now for the taste test. That's lovely. Lots of concentrated flavours. Chicken's very tender. You can taste sweet, sour, hot. It's fragrant. It's just delicious and so easy. You saw how quick it was to prepare. I do hope you'll try it. Thank you so much for watching, and let me thank all my new subscribers. I'm absolutely delighted you come with me to share my journey. Thank you, and I wish you all peace and love until next time we meet. Bye bye.